Hello, my name is Stanley Park, and I'm a proud alumni of Torch Trinity, graduating with an MDiv in year 2008. I'm currently serving as the lead pastor of the Global Department at Global Mission Church here in South Korea, overseeing all the foreign services of our church. One of the things I appreciate most about Torch Trinity is the non-denominational education. Both the professors and the students are from various denominations, which allowed me to be exposed to and learn different views and perspectives within evangelicalism. Professors challenged us to consider various views, and I still remember having many great discussions and even healthy disagreements with fellow students in class. The professors allowed and promoted this safe class atmosphere for students to explore the various views within evangelicalism. This non-denominational education has allowed me to appreciate the distinctiveness of each evangelical denomination and made me a more understanding, well-rounded, and a humble pastor. Through the non-denominational education, I will go on to successfully pastor at a Presbyterian, Methodist, and currently a Baptist church. Today, our church has 5 pastors and members who are current students of Torch Trinity, and they all love the school. Why don't you come to Torch and you'll love it as well.